In this video, I want to talk about how you can join a family group on YouTube TV. Now keep in mind, for this to work, the people that you invite, their account needs to be, it needs to be that their age is above 13 years old on the account, and you can only have one family group. You can only change that once every year. Now that we've got that, what you want to do is, if you're the family manager and you want to invite people, you just want to sign into your YouTube TV account, go to your profile and go to settings and family sharing. In there, go to manage and just enter the email or phone number that you want to invite and click send. Now for the other person, they want to accept the invitation, so they want to go to the text message or the email that you just sent them, click on the invitation link, and then they just have to follow a few instructions and they will be able to join. Now, like I said, you need to, the person accepting their account needs to be above age of 13, otherwise this is not gonna work. So that is how it's done, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.